Hello, so today I will show you how to make a pen stand. So for this I am taking sheet size of 30 by 10 centimeters, and now when I have this I will just use a pencil, a round kind of a thing, and just roll this sheet of paper from this side, from one side like this, and just roll more towards it, like I have to roll the whole thing. Like this, and just leave it. When you roll, just move the pencil out, and now without the pencil I will just roll. Just roll and like a straw, just I will do like this. To make it proper, just stretch a little bit, and now I need a glue to fix it. I will just put some glue here. Yeah, just a little bit glue is fine, and I will just close it in. Just press it to stick it well. And I can measure it. So from here to here it's coming 24, because I will just cut this part, this extra part till the line. I will just do like this, and here also till here just cut like this to make it a proper one. That's why we cut these two little triangles. So when I measure now, it's 24 centimeters. So with the pencil, what I will do now, I will just mark first from top 1.5 centimeters, and then just keep it here after 1.5, then make it 21 like this. Just stretch it a little bit, and just put dots now. 7, 14, and let it be. Don't put any mark or any dot here. Just 1.5, then just put the scale there and a little bit more, and then 7 and 14. 7 and 14 are here. Basically what we need to do, make equal distance here, 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 and first 1.5. So just now take a scale, and where we put the points, just fold it, just make like this, curve like this, corners like this. So let's stretch, do like that, and now do like this. And what we need to do is, we need to put this part inside this. And how will I do is, just hold it and press it nicely, and just put inside it. can open and do again, because it should go proper and it should look nice. That way the pen stand will look very nice. So more stretching and it will come like this. You can do again, not a problem, and it will be done like this. So like this I have already made these ones as well. The same method I followed in all of them. So here are they. So what I will do now is just join them and make a star shape pen holder, or you can put your makeup brushes and all in that stand. So I will show you how to do that. So for that, first I have made a base. I will make a base, but I have cut out a base like of triangle shape only, and it's a thick cardboard paper. It's not a light paper, so to make it strong, that's why only. So just put some glue here. So I will just open more because I need more here, and just paste it. To look nice, I am covering it with black sheet of paper, and from the bottom also I will cover. And from the bottom also just cover it if you want, but I like to cover, so I will cover it with the same sheet, black sheet. Just take it and just paste it and press it, and it will be done. So this is done. Now we'll proceed to the next thing, is taking one by one, we'll just glue it now. Just put the glue like this and just stick it there properly to make it even from all the sides. Yeah, so it's looking okay and nice from here. So it's done, and I'm taking orange now, and I will just stick to it like this. So what I will do is just put glue. I will just put glue here, 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 and just stick it like this. Oh, it should more be here. So you can take a rough sheet. I'm taking a rough paper and just removing this extra glue because I don't need this here. You can do so, it's okay. So take the next black one, and the same thing will do all here also. Just put some glue here where we need to stick, on that points only, not all. So just put glue on that, and on that dots just take this and just stick it there. Take another triangle and just stick, and then I will take the orange one and just take this orange one and you can just stick it then. So make sure you are checking from the top also, because it should look nice when all the thing is done, when you have pasted all the triangles in this. So I was just checking that. And you can choose any color sheet paper of your choice. It's up to you. For this today I have chosen black and orange. So just take this another one and just paste it. Okay, now take the next one. This is a very nice glue and it sticks really very well. I really like this transparent glue. And take the next one, black one. And just take another one and just paste it. Like this. Now we have an orange one after this. So just put glue. Everywhere here on the points only, not everywhere. So just take this and just stick it. And then the last that we have now, we'll just stick it to it and just leave for some time for the glue to take its time to stick, and the pen stand will be ready then. And it's done. Really simple to make and really nice. It looks really very nice. I can't hold it right now at the top and show you because the glue is, because I need to give time to glue also to stick. So I will just move it like this and I will show you from all the sides, and that way you can see. And you can put any pencils or anything that you want to keep it here. So it's like this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also. And please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics. And to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.